point out one thing that the material sciences cannot explain, account for, or even find the mental processes that go on in it is consciousness. If you can't explain consciousness, you can't explain anything we're interested in. You can explain mercantilism. You can explain atomic bombs. You can explain everything else. But there is no currently existing science of consciousness. Here's a book by this guy named Roger Penrose, who's a very famous physicist in England. It is entitled Shadows of the Mind. It is subtitled The Search for the Missing Science of Consciousness. Parapsychology should, from the get-go, have been interested in the phenomena of consciousness and not in the scientific method. I'm old enough, I'm over the hill now, I don't have to be careful anymore about what I say amongst my peers, so I'm saying it. There's no science of consciousness. How can remote viewing, telepathy, blah, 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 all these things be explained if they're functions of consciousness, and the consciousness of science is still missing in the year 2006? You see why my colleagues found me a little difficult to deal with at times? It has turned out, according to this book, you see, if I say it on my own, nobody believes me, but if somebody of this standing says it, then they have to chew on it at least a little bit. It's turned out that consciousness of science is not explainable as processes or result of matter. This book moans and groans about that for at least 100 pages. It cannot be captured by the quantifiable method. It is not quantifiable as all other aspects of matter.